I think I just found the perfect Christmas present for any wine drinker. Right away, you're probably thinking, why wine drinker? This just looks like a beautiful, like, saddle tote bag. And you are correct, it is, but it is actually made for wine bottles. Of course, you can use it for anything else, but I'm going to show you the inside in just a second. So we've got this beautiful strap right here, which is adjustable. So of course, this, hopefully you can kind of see, I mean, the table's in the way. It's nice and long, and of course you can adjust that depending on how you want to wear it. It does include a corkscrew right here. So you've got that here on the side. So nice and handy dandy. And then in the front, you've got a cute little magnet clip right here. I like that it loops through here and then closes. And then we open this up and then check this out. Oh, it's so like beautiful and soft inside here. And then check it out inside. So this is why it's made for wine. You've got a little divider inside here. And then this is all kind of padded and insulated. So the bottles are not going, listen, they're not clingy clanging on top of each other, which of course is important. You definitely can take the wine out and you will still have, you know, like the insulated and the padding, but then you still have like this beautiful bag that you can use, which I think is so nice. So if you are a wine lover, I think this is fantastic. Really like easy, nice, stylish way to be able to bring bottles to your next destination. Or you literally can just, you know, have a really cool, funky bag with not using wine. It's completely up to you, but it's super beautiful, bonded leather, and it also comes in black.